Hello everyone, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari, and in this video I have come up with a very exciting job opportunity which is from Aadhaar 247. If you are new to this channel, kindly go through the content of the channel. You will definitely love it, as apart from off-campus videos, we give placement guidance videos also. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, this is the job application portal of Aadhaar 247. The link of the job I will give you in the description. You can apply it from there. Here I will tell you what is the job profile, the location, the roles and responsibilities, skills required, qualification needed, application procedure, and also at last I'll tell you what is the CTC offered by this company for this position. So moving further, you can see that the position is junior software developer, that is front-end, back-end, QA, Java, etc. It is a full-time role and the location will be Gurugram. 0 to 1 year experience candidates are allowed. So freshers can also apply and 2020 batch students can also apply. They aspire to build high quality, innovative and robust software. It is a very good company, so please apply in this without fail. Now coming to the responsibilities, you have to write clean and well designed code. Also understanding current modules in terms of functionality. Work with tech leaders to define the app features and also build an end-to-end web application for customers. The skill set required are ability to develop in Java, JavaScript, Ruby on Rails, C++ or other programming languages. Excellent knowledge on relational databases, SQL, ORM technologies. Knowledge of front-end languages like HTML, CSS, React.js, Node.js or back-end languages like Ruby, PHP, Java, .NET and Python. Experience with test-driven development, proficiency in software engineering tools, ability to document requirements and specifications. Now the degree required here is bachelor's or master's degree in CS engineering or IT engineering or its equivalent. Now coming to the application procedure, click on this apply for this button. You will be redirected to a form. Also, it is a request from my side, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and for regular placement guidance. After clicking on this apply button, you will be redirected to this form. Here, upload your resume, enter your first name, your last name, select your gender, email ID, enter your mobile number, DOB, experience if you have, current salary, expected salary, availability, in how many days can you be available for this job, preferred location which is Gurugram only, and your current location. Add your experience details and your educational details and click on this apply now button. After clicking on this apply now button, you all will be good to go. Now coming to the CTC which is offered by Aadhaar 247 for this position. So it is 4 to 12 LPA. I know it is a very big gap, but you can expect 7 to 8 LPA at a bare minimum for this position. So apply for this opportunity right now. All the very best and thank you.